The Net-a-Porter and Joanna Czech Beauty Kit is available now. Now this kit is $136 and includes 10 beauty essentials to refresh and restore. The Net-a-Porter kit has been carefully curated by Joanna Czech, the trusted skincare expert who has advised so many incredible women. It's designed so you can achieve your skin goals from home. It contains an indulgent selection of favorite products that are formulated to cleanse, refresh, hydrate, and restore. Now, this kit will include the Costa Brazil Ola Para o Copra Kaya Jungle Firming Oil, the BioEffect and Printing Eye Mask, the 111 Skin Theorem Biocellulose Facial Mask, the Natura Biased C plus C Vitamin Serum, the Joanna Czech the C plus Serum, Amaroska, the Queen of Hungry Mist, Necessary, the Body Lotion, BioEffect, EGF, Eye Serum, U Beauty, the Plasma Lip Compound, and Costa Brazil, Salbana Bath Salt. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.